Are you tired of using sunscreens that leave a white cast on your face or feel heavy and greasy? In this video, we will help you find the perfect sunscreen cream that's lightweight, non-greasy, and effective for protecting your skin. Sunscreen is essential for protecting your skin from harmful UV rays, but finding the perfect cream that works for your skin type can be a daunting task. When it comes to choosing a sunscreen cream for your face, it's important to look for one that's lightweight and non-greasy, so it won't clog your pores or cause breakouts. A mineral-based sunscreen cream is a great option for those with sensitive skin, as it contains natural ingredients like zinc oxide and titanium dioxide that provide gentle protection. If you have oily skin, look for a sunscreen cream that's oil-free and mattifying, so it won't add any extra shine to your skin. For those with dry skin, choose a sunscreen cream that's hydrating and contains ingredients like hyaluronic acid or glycerin to help lock in moisture. So, to sum it up, the perfect sunscreen cream for your face depends on your skin type and personal preferences. Don't be afraid to try different formulas until you find the one that works best for you. Remember, using sunscreen every day is crucial for maintaining healthy and youthful-looking skin. Find your perfect sunscreen cream and make it a part of your daily skincare routine to protect your skin from sun damage and keep it looking radiant.